Hello everyone. In this video, let me explain about Sri Meenakshi Sokanatha Temple, which is situated in Arpukote, Virudhunagar district. This temple has greatest architecture, and this temple was built during 12th century, and it was built in 1216 by the king Maravarman Sundarapandiyan, and this temple has the Surya Puskarani Teppam, and it is the big temple with long corridor, which is the unique feature in Pandyanadu temples. And the inscription in the temple speaks about how old the temple is and tells the historical background of the temple. And when the king Maravarman Sundarapandiyan got the victory over Cheras and Cholas, and then he was enjoying the victory with his wife. And there comes Paranjodi Desigar to meet the king, who is the teacher of Maravarman Sundarapandiyan. And after waiting for so many hours, Paranjodi Desigar went out of the place and cursed the king. And then the king Maravarman Sundarapandiyan faces so many problems in his life. So to get rid of the curse, Maravarman Sundarapandiyan built this temple in obeying to Paranjodi Desigar's words. And then in most of the Lord Shiva temple, Lord Parvati will be situated in the left side of the Shivan. And here in this temple, it has the resemblance of Madurai Meenakshi temple. That is, Lord Parvati is situated in the right side of the Lord Shiva. And then here in this temple, Lord Parvati, Lord Shivan, Lord Ganesha, Lord Muruga are situated in the same temple, which most of the temples do not have. And an idol of Kasi Vishwanathar was taken from Kasi and was there in the temple for prayers, adds extra importance to the temple. And then Lord Sankara Narayanar is situated only here after Sankaran Koval, which adds extra essence to the temple. And then finally about the festival. And here in this temple, festival takes place for more than 10 days. And then the most important thing in the festival is the car festival, which was taking place for more than 800 years. Thank you for listening.